Hello and welcome to video number 5. This is going to cover step number 2, SEO settings, and of course step number 3, header and side block settings. So let's begin. Now before I show you how to edit the settings, I wanted to give you an idea of what the end result looked like. So this is going to be the header, and this is going to be the side block, which gives you the option to enter an image or a video. Now that you have an idea of what it looks like, let's begin to edit the settings. Let's start with step number 2, which is going to be SEO settings to make it a little more search engine friendly. Simply because Google will pick up these two items. So you want to enter your title, which is going to appear in the search engines. And as you know, if you go to Google, you're going to see the title and the description. So you want to make sure that you have the right title that contains your keywords and as well as your description. And just one more thing before we enter the title here is that whatever title that you add here, the text will actually be grabbed and pasted onto your narrow deal headline, which will be used for Facebook, WordPress, and more. So in this case, I'm selling a video training course that deals specifically with increasing your deliverability rates. So the title could be Discover How to Increase Your Email Deliverability Rates. Keywords could be something like the title, surefire email delivery, cloud, email, and email deliverability. The description, you have up to 160 characters, so you can actually see if you will reach that point. So as I begin to type, you can see that it decreases and tells you how many characters you have left. If all possible, I'd advise you and recommend that you use as many characters as possible. So I went ahead and put, in this video training course, I will show you how to decrease your costs while increasing your email deliverability rates. Click here to watch this video. So now that you have made your site a little more search engine friendly, we can work on step number 3, which is going to be the header and the side block settings. The first thing you're going to see is going to be the side block type. You can either have an image or a video. In this case, you can either upload the image or enter the direct link to the URL here. Now, you want to make sure in terms of size that the image or video is 480 width by 270 height. So if you have an image, make sure that it is of that same size. Click upload, choose file, locate the file, and then click on upload. Now in this specific case, I'm going to be using a video. Now I need to make sure that the video is also 480 by 270. And all you have to do is simply copy and paste the code here. Let me show you how to do that. So at this point, all I need to do is locate that video, and you'll see that it says share, click embed, and then click on custom size here, 480 by 270. I'm going to select this code here, and just keep in mind that it will only work with the iframe. Do not use the old embed code if you want to use the feature to make it autoplay. Now, if I paste this code here and I want the YouTube video to automatically play, I can simply click on yes. Now, you can also put Vimeo code, any other video hosting code here. It doesn't have to be particularly YouTube. This option here only works with YouTube, however. So just keep that in mind. Now let's work on the header here. We've got the header, and you have the option of including this specific header on your thank you page. If you want to do that, simply click yes. You can have image type. You can have either an image or text. By image, you have a little more freedom of customizing your own image by choosing this option. Just keep in mind that the recommended size is going to be 940 width by 150 height. So you can upload it here. Now, before you upload it, you can also choose text. Text allows you to create your own header if you do not have an image. So think of it kind of like a header creator. You can enter your own text here. We can even use something like the title here as a text. Text options, you can choose your font here. And you can see the different types of fonts. And you can also change the size. We recommend that you keep it around this area. Don't go too far out. Somewhere in here would be good. You can change the header colors, the text color. Simply select this here, choose a color, and you can choose a background. Now, just keep in mind though, that you can also enter the hex code for advanced users as well. You can bold it and you can italicize it. Now, in this case, I'm going to select an image. So I've created a header. I'm going to choose the file, choose the header here, click open, click upload, and there we go. So you have two different options: upload your header or use the header creation tool. And that's it. In the next video, I'm going to cover the step number 4, which is going to be the deal details.